Whether it's for a cozy family movie night, a Marvel binge session, or simply revisiting childhood favorites, the Mozart One Pro New transforms streaming from Disney Plus into a truly cinematic experience. Animation looks incredibly sharp, with vibrant colors and smooth gradients that make classics like Moana, Encanto, or Toy Story truly pop. Live-action content, too, benefits from this clarity. Faces, textures, and landscapes come through with impressive sharpness. The real magic kicks in with HDR10 support. The contrast feels deeper. Darker scenes reveal subtle shadows instead of getting lost in murkiness. And bright scenes, like explosions or glowing effects, stay punchy without being washed out. The colors feel alive, dynamic, and rich, exactly what you want when diving into the fantasy worlds Disney Plus has to offer. It's a reminder that you don't have to spend a fortune to get a projector that delivers. The 2025 Mozart One Pro New brings a significant leap forward in both hardware and user experience, building on the foundation laid by its predecessor. First and foremost, the brightness has been enhanced by 40%, jumping from an estimated 850 to 900 ANSI lumens to a powerful 1200 ANSI lumens, ensuring stunning clarity even in well-lit environments. In terms of audio, the new model is equipped with an upgraded 20-watt speaker system and a 660 cubic centimeter sound chamber, delivering deeper bass that now reaches down to 20 Hz, a 25% power increase over the previous version's more modest output.